Hello, this is X DVDs. Yes. Megamind? Were you? Am I a liar? Grr. I'm not in big trouble yet. We're gonna do open season 3 this week. Not Megamind. We're gonna do open season 3. Here's the DVD. Oh boy, I can't wait to see. Ow! What? No, no, no. We're doing Megamind. This is my favorite movie of all time. Be quiet. No, I'm Rowdy. I will kick you. I do not care. Get out of here. Ow! You deserved it. Nope, 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 nope. Go away, DVD. Megamind. One of my favorite movies of all time. Yep, Rowdy's in big trouble. We're not doing this DVD. We're doing Megamind. Instead, here's the blue disc. No one really cares about Rowdy. There. Let's close up this case. Alright. We have Digger. Hello. We see the DreamWorks Animation SBT Home Entertainment logo for some odd reason. DreamWorks Animation SBT Home Entertainment. Alright, let's skip this. All titles may not be available in all countries. Let's skip the preview. Let's skip these. The views expressed by DreamWorks Animation LLC.
Will almost always have the most amazing
Here we go.
looking cold drinks. It could also be my fault because I literally wish I heard before. But it is what it is.
Alright. Let's press play movie. Not the scene selection. The movie.
Yeah, I put it in application while I did not respond.
Play. No! Megamind's dead. I'm gonna blow you all. This motion picture has been rated PG. Once again, which is a black screen background. Ooh, DreamWorks. Oh, baby Megamind.
I came from what you might call a broken home. How hard I tried.
Ooh, this is Permanent Patty. I mean, Windlifer. We have a logo. And Hoozy, that's the DVD opening on Megamind. Oh, okay.
Are you serious right now?
Digger. Goodbye, Digger.
Steven, inside voice.
Bye, Chuck. So, goodbye.